Greetings, Teacher Charles again, and we're going to do several short lessons about sentences. And we will review some basic grammar, but we want to focus on sentences. And so you repeat after the teacher, okay? It's really important if you want to learn English and speak English and write English well, you must repeat what the teacher says. Okay, so sentences. You can look at the slide associated with this lesson. A complete sentence has 4 characteristics. Say that after me. A complete sentence has 4 characteristics. 1, it begins with a capital letter. It begins with a capital letter. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Very important when you're writing in English. Number 2, a complete sentence contains a subject. A complete sentence contains a subject. Who? Who is the sentence about? Who or what is the sentence about? Number 3, a complete sentence contains a verb. Say it after me. A complete sentence contains a verb. A verb is the action. What did they do? What did it do? Number 4, a complete sentence has an object. A complete sentence has an object. What received the action? So the sentence has the who or the what. They did something to something. The person, the thing, did it. The action occurred and something received the action. Let's look at slide number 2. And so we're going to look at present, past, and future. I'm going to say a present sentence, a past sentence, and a future sentence. And you say it after me, okay? Ready? John is waiting for the bus. John is waiting for the bus. John waited for the bus all morning. John waited for the bus all morning. John will wait for the bus for 15 more minutes. Then he will take a taxi to work. Say it after me. John will wait for the bus for 15 more minutes. Then he will take a taxi to work. So the first sentence, John is waiting for the bus, is present continuous. Present is now. What's happening now? What is John doing? John is waiting. And so ing means something is happening right now. He is waiting for the bus. We call that present tense, present continuous tense. Past tense, John waited for the bus all morning. So from morning until now, John has been waiting. And so he waited. Usually we form the past tense by adding ed to the word. You see, John waited for the bus all morning. That's past tense. Future tense is what will happen after now. Present tense is now. Past tense is before now, and future tense is after now. So future tense, John will wait. To make future tense, we usually add the word will. John will wait for the bus 15 more minutes. Then he will take a taxi to work. Let's look at the next sentences. Past tense. I picked a flower yesterday. Say it after me. I picked a flower yesterday. Picked. Pick is the word that we add ed and it makes it past tense. Picked. I picked a flower yesterday. Present tense, the flower is in my kitchen. Say it after me. The flower is in my kitchen. Now, present tense, now the flower. I picked the flower yesterday. I must add ed to the word pick, to the verb pick. But present tense, now the flower is in my kitchen. Say that after me. The flower is in my kitchen. Future tense, I think the flower will wilt by tomorrow. I think the flower will wilt by tomorrow. Wilt means kriam. It means the flower will die. The flower will get old by tomorrow. That's what the word wilt means, W-I-L-T. Wilt means we're talking about something that has not yet occurred. It hasn't happened yet. So you say this after me. Past tense, I picked a flower yesterday. The flower is in my kitchen. That's present tense. I think the flower will wilt by tomorrow. That's future tense. Okay, that's the first lesson for today.